Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse, guys, for the mass airflow sensor, also known as Maf sensor, is located. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of, guys, spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of, guys, wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So we'll need to, guys, check two different fuses for the mass airflow sensor on Toyota Camry right here, that you will need to verify that they're good if you have problems with the Maf sensor. We'll demonstrate on a 2013 model. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working one of them, and that's a fuse box that's easy to access. It's right under the hood. If we zoom in a little bit, that's your engine, guys. Right here, air filter, that's your mass airflow sensor here. Car battery, and right here is your fuse box cover. Open that cover, you will see a fuse box layout, okay, that will look, guys, just like this one right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check, guys, two fuses for the mass airflow sensor. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see in that row of fuses right here. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse, guys, number 28. That 30 amp fuse is the first one that you will need to check. Then we have one more that we need to check, and we're going 28, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33. Fuse number 33 will need to be checked as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.